That is so weird. I'm sorry. I think it quit already though, baby.
No, it's still going.
Yeah, but it's raining, but I don't know if it's hailing. Maybe some. That is just so weird.
Oh, don't tell me we're gonna get a tornado.
I don't know. I'm gonna text her and see if he's okay.
I don't think we had one in years, because I know we had that small one when I was little. But it's
What, the hail or tornado?
the little.
Baby, it's hail. It's not hell. It's a different word, okay?
I know. We had that when we lived in Grassland, and it lasted and then it stopped. But it's crazy.
It's weird. Are you done in the bathroom?
I was gonna wash my hands, but
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna. I'm gonna set my phone in the window if I can get a better shot while I wash my hands. Oh, it sounds like it's thundering. Oops. Yeah, it's raining. Sorry guys, my camera angle wasn't that really good. Well, maybe it is, sometimes it is. Anyway. Yeah, that's why. Oops. You okay, Mama? You okay?
Yes, baby, I'm fine. Thank
Okay.
you.